GLAD or Gladstone Capital is one of those companies you might want to add to your portfolio. Now, I've had this company in my portfolio for many years and it pays out monthly dividends. So, if you like companies that pay monthly dividends and it gives you the ability to actually have money put into your stock account or even bank account on a monthly basis, well, Gladstone Capital might be the one for you guys. What's going on, guys? Johnny Trades here, and I want to go over a company that is kind of near and dear to my heart, something that I've had in my portfolio for over a decade now. It's been close to 10 years I've had Gladstone in my portfolio. And guys, I want to talk to you a little bit about just the progress it's made over the last couple of years, okay? And the benefits to actually investing in a monthly paying stock like Gladstone Capital. So give me just a couple minutes of your time and we're going to run down just a few things of why I think it would benefit your portfolio and your bank accounts to have this in your portfolio. Now, remember, guys, I will never tell you what to buy, hold, or sell, and always remember that investing is risky. And never take advice and just blindly buy a company because someone was talking about it on the internet, right? Don't even take my opinion or my advice, right? So we're just talking here. But Gladstone Capital is a company that I've had in my portfolio for quite some time, buying even in that $10 range, $7 range back in 2016, 2017, guys. Very cool. I was buying it at $10 and we were getting dividends paid out to us all the time consistently. And I was like, this is really, really cool that this company can pay out dividends and continue to go up over time. So it was paying me 7 cents at the time back in 2016, 2017 at around $10. So for $10, you're almost making 10% a year, right? So in my mind, I was like, for every 10 bucks I can put in, what every share that I get 7 cents back per month, which is about around 85 cents a year, which would be like about $1 a year. So I was like, man, every share I buy, I'm getting $1 back. So my goal for a long time was to build this up to 100 shares. I believed 100 shares was a very great number to start with an average of around, say, $10. That would put me at around $1,000, right? $1,000, 100 shares, and that would pay me out 7 cents per month on 100 shares, which was around $7. So now I'm getting around $7 in payment every single month to own 100 shares of Gladstone. And within a few more months, or within a year in 2020, it pushed up to $13. So from 10 bucks to $13, this was able to benefit me over 30%, guys, over 30% in about a year. Okay, so that $1,000 went to 1,300, so I made 300 bucks in a year. But then I got over $7 a month in dividends for the year as well. So then that became 7 times 10 is 70, just shy is like 85-ish dollars. So that was almost another 100, so just shy of $400 for the year holding on to Gladstone. I not only got appreciation 34% in my account through appreciation, but also got those payments, those payouts. And what did I do with those payouts? I reinvested them through the DRIP program, or the Dividend Reinvestment Program, which was through Robinhood. I wasn't using WeBull at the time. And I was able to reinvest those $7. So by the end of the year, I had more like it was like 112 shares, because every month I was able to buy almost a whole nother share. $7 and the share price is 10 bucks. I'm buying almost a complete whole share every single month, resulting in around, I think it was like 12 or 15, I think it was 12 extra shares, which it went up anyways, right? Which gave me more money. So this dividend snowball just kept taking effect, and once it dropped down, I sold here at this peak. I sold at the peak because I noticed the markets were doing very poorly. February 2020, got out, and my only regret, guys, I didn't get back in at that $5, $6 mark. But what did I do? I got back in this consolidation period of around $10. And I didn't miss out on very many dividends. I think I missed on 3 or 4 dividends here, and was able to buy back in at 10. Now at the $10 mark, November, where are we at? No, October, November 2020, pushing all the way up to $20 in another 2 years or so. This was April 2022, resulting in what? Another increase. So the first year made over $400, sold out, 112 shares, took all my money back, got another 100 shares at $10, and then sold at the $19 mark, resulting in over $190, over 84% in profit, right? So almost $10 per share, 100 shares, almost $1,000, like $890, okay, in about 2 years, getting paid dividends all the time, right? Still resulting in about 65 cents, so we're getting about $6.50 a month over the course of 2 years. 2 years, that's 24 months times, let's say roughly 7, still 70, $140. So that's over $1,000 in profits in 2 years, resulting in about that 400 or 500 from that first year. So in 3 years, 1,500. Selling here and reinvesting again back at that 13. That was more like $15. So it's a little bit more expensive now, but at $15, even then it's increased from 15 to 27, another 75%, guys. Okay. Now it's setting up for an opportunity to be, well, it's a bit overbought, right? But with all the dividend payouts and its earnings releases showing really good signs of growth, this company is very capable of pushing $30, maybe even doing another reverse split, getting it back to 10, 20 bucks again, then triggering more people to actually buy into this even more. They also paid a special dividend. I don't know if you noticed here, but on 11/20 they paid 16 cents per share. We're talking 16 cents now, when before I was only getting about 7 cents. So it's a little bit more dividends per share price. Now, they did pay a special dividend on December 4th of 40 cents per share. So even 100 shares, that would be over $40. $40, guys. 10 shares would be $4. Now, they did just pay a dividend on 12/20 and that special dividend on 12/4. So again, maybe this is something you keep in mind for next year if you want to get a really good payout. That was $40 that I didn't even really have to, I didn't have to work for, right? That's $40 for the month of December, plus the $16 that I also didn't have to pay for. So that's $56 in December for having 100 shares of this company. Now then after that, it'll go back to only about $16 a month, but that's $16 a month reinvesting. Every 2 months you can literally be buying another share. So right now I have roughly 150, 160, something like that, shares. So I'm able to buy actually one Gladstone share at this price every single month, which then gives me another 16 cents per share on top of the other shares. And that's where this snowball effect takes place. For anyone who wants to learn more about monthly paying stocks or companies that pay you monthly dividends, then definitely do me a favor and reach out to me. Subscribe to the channel, send me a message or a comment below this video asking to learn more or letting me know that you want to learn more, and I'll share with you my top 10 monthly paying stocks that I'm actually holding currently and that are paying me hundreds of dollars every month by simply owning them. I don't have to do anything besides just buy and sell, or buy and hold, and sell some when it's at highs and buy more when it's at lows. And we could talk more about that in another video. Thank you for your time. Like always, remember, let's end the year on a green note. And if you want to learn more about investing, then again, subscribe, check out my private Discord, 100% free. Check it out.